Welcome to my new channel, Cheese MOTO by Roman Dmitri. I have a passion for motorcycles and I want to share it with you. I got my first bike 10 years ago and I absolutely fell in love. In fact, I got rid of my car and then had 7 or 8 bikes at one point. On this channel, I want to introduce you to my ladies, how I do the maintenance and repairs because I have no choice, because I live in Cambridge and there's no mechanics in the area. Then I want to talk about road trips. West Montrose, Niagara Falls, New York, Key West, Florida, Thunder Bay. How about taking a ferry ride on Manitoulin Island? You know what I really want to do? I want to make it from here all the way to the end of the 401, something called Kigashka, and then take the ferry to La Romaine. I've never been there, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but hopefully we'll check it out together. Anyway guys, welcome to the channel. I love motorcycles. Let's love them together. Peace and love, stay safe, and keep your head on a swivel.